Attention all Windows 10 users! Are you tired of sluggish performance on your computer? Does slow loading times and laggy gameplay leave you feeling frustrated and defeated? Fear not, for we have the solution to all your problems. In this tutorial, we're going to reveal the secrets to boosting your computer's speed without any expensive software. Are you ready to transform your computer from a sluggish snail to a lightning-fast cheetah? Then let's dive in! First things first, let's clean up the clutter. Unused files and programs can bog down your computer and make it run slower than a tortoise on a hot summer day. So let's get rid of them. Head to the control panel and click on Programs and Features. Look for any programs that you don't use anymore and uninstall them. You'll be amazed at how much faster your computer will run with a little bit of spring cleaning. Next, let's take a look at your startup programs. When you start up your computer, do you really need all of those programs to start up with it? Probably not. Many programs automatically start up with your computer, and this can slow down your boot time and overall performance. To fix this, open up the Task Manager and head to the Startup tab. Here, you can disable any programs that you don't need to start up automatically. This will free up valuable resources and make your computer start up faster. Now let's move on to the graphics settings. If you're a gamer, you know that graphics can make or break your gameplay experience. However, high graphics settings can also put a strain on your computer's resources and cause lag. To optimize your graphics settings, head to the Settings app and click on System. Then, click on Display and scroll down to Graphics Settings. Here, you can adjust your graphics settings to prioritize performance over quality. This will help you achieve a smoother gaming experience without sacrificing too much visual appeal. Adjusting your computer's performance settings is another great way to speed up your Windows 10 computer. By adjusting your performance settings, you can prioritize speed and responsiveness over visual effects and animations. To do this, right-click on this PC or My Computer and select Properties. From here, click on Advanced System Settings and then click on Settings under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable all visual effects and animations. Alternatively, you can select Custom and choose which effects you want to keep or disable. This will give your computer a noticeable performance boost and make it run more smoothly. And there you have it, folks! By cleaning up clutter, disabling unnecessary startup programs, optimizing your graphics settings, you can transform your sluggish Windows 10 computer into a lightning-fast machine. And the best part? It's all completely free! So what are you waiting for? Get started and unleash the full potential of your computer for a better, faster, and more productive experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks to optimize your computer's performance. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends who might also benefit from these tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.